This lesson is going to deal with blues piano and the blues scale and some blues chords underneath it. I'm just going to give you a demonstration of what blues sound like. It's very important to know about blues if you want to learn about pop music and play pop music, because its roots are all in blues, the chord structure and the ideas, and you'll see when I get going what you'll probably get glimpses of what I mean. So the left hand goes like this. So, I don't expect you to learn that just yet. We're a bit away from that stage, but you can and you will. You're going to have to practice and you're going to have to get a good foundation. So the start I'm going to talk to you about is the notes that we improvise using in the right hand, which are actually quite easy once they're spelled out. So the notes I'm using are just 6 notes. They're E, G, A, C, D, D sharp, and those notes are E flat rather, which is the same as D sharp. That black note is just the black note above the note D. There it is. So you can call it E flat or D sharp. Flat means you come down from E, sharp from D means you go up to D. So that's all you need to do, is just know where it is. It's there, it is on the keyboard, and we're going to be using this. So if everybody just plays along, doesn't matter about fingering yet. Let's just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Thumb, second, third, thumb, second, third, thumb, second, third, thumb, second, third. So we can do that, and then if we use those notes in certain sequences, they're the only notes I'm going to be using in this class in the right hand. So what I want you to do is, of those 6 notes, E, G, A, C, D and D sharp, I want you to play, for every 4 I count, I want you to change the note. So, and you can use any combination of those 6 notes. You can start on the D sharp or E flat. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, or you can start on the G. 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can start on the E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's entirely up to you, whatever you like to do. Or you can maybe jump from G to D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can scramble up the sequence of notes if you like. Let's just keep the count though. 2, 3, 4. I want you to play along. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll play a bar. I'll leave a bar empty. You play the bar. I'll play the first one. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play. 2, 3, 4. Play. Play. You get the idea? Okay, we'll do it again. Play. 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 So we're going to do it a little bit more differently this time. We've just been playing straight 1, 2, 3, 4 there, which is fine for getting yourself established and finding your notes and being comfortable. With the blues, there's 3 different types of rhythms that you can play, or you should be aware of at the level we're at. The count would be long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and or a straight 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or obviously you can do longer notes again. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can scramble it up. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the sort of thing that you need to be doing. If you're just going to play a straight beat the whole way through it, it wouldn't be very musical. It would just be an exercise. So I'm going to give a demonstration of how we can mix all this up and make it more interesting. Using the same notes, those same 6 notes. No others. 2, 3, 4. There it is. Long, long, short, short. Sorry. Long, short, long, short, long, short. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So I'm going to do the bass, you're going to do the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and using whatever combination of notes in that 6-note matrix as you like. So it could be etc. 2, 3. I'll do the first bar, you do the second. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the idea. I'm going to just play the left hand now, and you're going to do the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 over it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just come back in now. That's the wrong. I'm including a B flat there and I shouldn't have, so I'll do that again. Now let's do something else. Let's do short, short, short. Instead of long. Let's go. Combine them. So your turn. It could be this. You could be doing this. You could be repeating a note with those 3 fast notes in a row. You could be doing. Every note could be 3 on every new note. You could be doing 2 of one note and 1 of another, like this. Or you could be doing 3 different notes. So this is all going to be combined. This triplet is another good device that you need to know. So I'm going to count, give a demonstration using our 6 blues notes from the matrix. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try and split the notes up a little bit. You see there that I combined. I was doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I went back to the long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, or long. So it makes it more musical. If you do that over and over again, you start maybe sound like a sewing machine or something. It's a device that needs to be combined with something else to make it sound more interesting. Again, we're going to be using our 6 notes. We're going to try mixing it up a little bit now. I hope you're having fun. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Your turn. turn. So, 3 notes fast, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, sit, long note. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. Triples then, faster ones. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, long, short, 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 long, short. So Hanon exercise 3 is a little bit different than 2. The sequence is almost the same, except there's a reverse order. Those are the notes. The second exercise was instead of going F, G, F, E, we're going so we've kind of flipped the sequence of notes. If you watch and listen. Sequence again, thumb on F, you're going up each time. The block of notes goes up a note and from your thumb. It's on G now. Just to recap for people that may have missed that point, that's your block of notes, that's your block, that's your block. These are all the notes that are being used in the sequence. And it goes up each time. They're in units of 8 notes. So I can't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because you're going to be mixing up that with your fingers. But you know what I mean. Now we're on D. Etc. So the left hand is like this. Coming down now, I'm going to do 2 hands together. Finishing on C.